Welcome to everybody. Today we want to show the new model of Bacciottini Group. Is a line for gluing the book cover. Here we have our fastest machine, the FM 16000, but it's possible to put in line to the butterfly, all range of our new machines and old machines. Here we have the butterfly 2. That with this one we can do all kind of this folding type, but today we want to show the gluing system. Here we have the length of the flap, the first, the last and the middle. It's possible to modify all of these, and now we are ready to show how to program the machine. This one is 679. So new job, 679. Paper thickness is 0.17. Type of fold and length of the flap. Okay. And the setting of the glue on the line is automatic. We have just to modify the gluing position in accordance with the guide. Now we test one sheet. We have the glue in this side. It's possible now the machine is equipped with one gun. It's possible to have also two guns to glue in this side and also in the other side. Now we run continuously the job. And we have the glue in both sides. Then it's possible, for example, to increase the number of gluing points. Now we have just one at the beginning and one at the end of the sheet. We can put one more if you need closer than the flap. Here we have the gluing point at the lead edge and also in the middle if you need to feed with caps in this point. Everything is adjustable just with only with the touch panel. Now we want to show how is easy the setting of the job. We change the job. This one is 0.32 millimeters. In this case, it's enough if we modify just one guide without modifying the gun. So we have just to adjust one guide. The length of the sheet is 587. So we have just type here, the length is 587, the thickness is 0.32, okay. And now the gluing point, for example, 120, 120. Okay. We feed one sheet. We see that for us is okay. And now we can start the job continues. And this is another job. In 2-3 minutes it's possible to change from one job to the other. Now we pass to different job, like this. This one is also, this is 37 cents. Also for this job is enough to modify just one guide. Now we need the length of the sheet is 527. It's 0.37, and in this case we can make, for example, 110, 110. Okay. We test one sheet. This is okay for us. And we have another job done without any adjustment of the Now we want to show a wider sheet. This one is 0.17, is laminated. In this case, we need also to modify the guide, both guides. Here we have the same position of the gluing system. And because the machine inside has roller with rings where we can put the glue without have any problem inside the machine. Now we open the guide. The length of the sheet is 481, and we have to modify also the position of the gun. Now we have here an indicator. It's I know that if I put in the middle here, the gluing point is also in the middle of the previous position, and we fix like this. $481.17, and in this case 100 and 100. The machine is teaching us that we have to modify the roller position. It's okay. Now we need one reset. And now the machine is ready to start. Now we have also another possibility, that is to check here the position on of the sheet. So this one is more or less 115, and the other side is more or less the same. And we can modify two wheels that help the sheet to jump, to avoid problem on the delivery. Just modifying two wheels and the delivery is okay. Now we want to show a big and wide sheet. The length of this is 681. Paper thickness is 18. Also in this case we don't need to move the gun. .18 number 7, and this one we can use 150. Okay, and gluing. Now the machine teach again that we have to modify the roller position. So now we have just to put the paper. When we pass from change the roller position, we need the reset. And now the machine is ready. And now we have 150. And this is what the machine is doing. And so we are open to receive all requests for information for what is the speed, what is the minimum sheet length, it's or minimum flaps. Everything will be available in our website and also in the technical feature. And this is all.